What I'm gonna show here, this is the reason why we're gonna replace the or rebuild this engine because of this one. See? It sounds okay. See? That's too much play. See? And when the engine over here also is all up. So that's the good sign. The connecting rod is full. Double check. This one seems to be like there's no label. Because if the connecting rod is a little bit bent, then this piston here will be like down, like uneven. So this one is down, so more down, like it's bent. See this one still good form. As you can see, we only change the piston ring in here, and then the plain bearing. Plain bearing is in here. So here, change also. This is the plain this one here, this is for the booster. Obviously the Volkswagen it has the this one here is like still new. Still good. This only like 180,000 kilometers on it. Still good. But the only thing is, parang in this engine is the piston ring very worn out. So pagka worn out na yung piston rings, kalalabasan ko